Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to actually translate clipboard text with Deepl desktop application. This should be a very simple video, so make sure to watch it from now till the very end. Now, what is Clipboard first? Clipboard is basically a temporary storage area in memory managed by the operating system that holds text, images, or data that you have cut or copied. For example, I'm gonna open this page here, which is, I think it's gonna be having some articles. Yep, here we go. So I'm gonna click on next. And let's say, for example, I would like to translate this text here. First of all, I would need to add it to my clipboard. So to add this text to my clipboard, I would need to click on Control C, and then, or simply click right click and then click on copy. This will help it to be added to my clipboard. Then I would need to open the extension or the application or the web application for Deepl. I'm just gonna go ahead and use the Deepl extension. And here I'm gonna use my clipboard, which is simply by pasting my clipboard saved text by clicking on Ctrl V or simply pasting it using the right click and choosing paste. And as you can see here, this is what it gives us. So they detected the language, which is French, and it translated it to English. So that's exactly what we wanted for this text. Now you can apply the same method or the same methodology that I've just shown you right now and apply it to any other application or basically text, I don't know, document, story, anything that you are reading. You can literally just copy it, paste it, and have the actual translation for it in the real time. So yeah, that was basically it for today's video, guys. If you did enjoy, make sure to drop a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.